Today we are going to start SLFRS 8 operating segment. This standard is crucial in this time because from 2015 June to last exam, this was not tested in any exam, right? Therefore, this standard can be tested. Why I am telling like this, in last time I have predicted for standard will be tested, and it was tested. The deferred tax earning per share, those were tested related party, because those standard up to that last exam were not tested, and this time it was tested. Therefore, this time that operating segment may be tested, right? Let's see what is operating segment. Meaning, I will tell first of all what is the meaning of this and the purpose of operating segment is standards, right? First of all, keep in your mind this standard compulsory only for listed entities. It is compulsory to listed entities, other entities is not compulsory, but if they want, they can apply. Just like in earning per share also same, it is not compulsory for all the companies, but listed companies it is compulsory, right? Why operating segment means, I will take easy examples to understand the meaning of the standard and why that standard introduced. Say you have a listed company, a hotel company, say it's a PLC, right? When you take a hotel have different parts of the business. If you take one by one, hotel will have food and accommodation, food section, food and beverages, right? Then they have accommodation section. Then they have liquor section, right? Then some hotels, not some hotel, all the hotels have a spa, Ayurvedic spa, right? Then swimming pool and other play areas they have. They will charge separately for each facilities from the guest. They will bill separately, not only that pool, then they have a laundry section. Laundry also they have, right? They will bill separately for each area from the single client. Is it clear? The room bill this amount, food and beverage this amount, liquor bill this amount. Sometimes you have to pay in different places when you are consuming different things in a hotel. Is it clear? Right. Now, these call segments, because these areas will generate a revenue separately. Clear? Say for example, some segments will generate in losses, some segment will generate profits, but in the financial statement we will record it as a single amount as a company. Then when the user using this financial information for their decisions, they will mislead based on the total. Is it clear? And the management also will mislead with the total figure. Then they can't take decisions what segment we are going to discontinue or improve or restructure. To take these decisions, both of users as well as internal users of management need information of each segment separately. Is it clear? At least they have to provide the P&L for each segment separately. Then people will know what are the areas will generate a profit to the business and what are the areas that consume the profit, that is loss making areas, right? Therefore, in addition to the total revenue in the profit and loss, they are required to present income and expenses in each segment separately under notes. Therefore, this standard purely focus on a note, how that company should present that segment note in the financial statement. Is it clear? That is why this standard is introduced, right? To provide segment information in addition to the total of the company. Now, in the total profit and loss account, we will tell you total expenses and total revenue. Based on that, it is difficult to take decisions, right? That is why this standard introduced, and this is compulsory for the PLCs, listed entities in Sri Lanka, right? Then this standard will give you guidelines about operating segments, how to recognize segments, then how to recognize information and how to present it in the financial statements. Therefore, first of all, you have to learn what is an operating segment. It is very important. What is an operating segment? If you take a hospital business, a PLC, sometimes you can say they have segments. For example, pharmacy. Pharmacy is a segment. Then they have a canteen. Canteen will provide foods and beverage for the walking customers. That is what we call walking customers. That is not the word they are using. OPD patient. They are coming, getting treatment and going out. They are not the inpatient customers. Inpatient means those who are living in the hospital more than one day. They are a separate thing. They will provide rooms and everything. Then inpatient customers will get the foods and beverage from the canteen, plus walking customers also, daily customers will consume the foods and beverage from the canteen. Then canteen will generate a separate income. Then hospital required to decide whether we will continue canteen or not, whether we need to continue this canteen by ourselves or whether we need to outsource it. Then to take that decision, they need to obtain the segment information, not the total revenue of the hospital. In the P&L, they will have total revenue of the hospital. It will include pharmacy income, canteen income, inpatient income, rooms income, right? Then other, sometimes they have ambulance, they have mobile treatment units. When the customer call them, they will send that nurse or then doctor plus all the treat with the medicine, they will send the ambulance to the home. Then it will generate another income. Everything will be represented in the P&L as a total. But to take a decision, they need separate information, right? Therefore, that is standard required to use at least by the PLCs in Sri Lanka. Is it clear? Then sometimes that hospitals, we are practicing with hospitals, we are auditing hospitals in Sri Lanka, PLCs, sometimes they are arguing with us. I am talking about the practical scenario. In a hospital, it is difficult to identify segments. That's true sometimes. Why? I am moving into the definition, right, with the practical example. Now, hospital finance managers telling always us, we don't have operating segments. Then we are asking why? Because we cannot separate expenses to each segment. Now, I have told you in the note, operating segment note, they are required to provide profit and loss separately for each segment. Is it clear? මම එහෙම කිව්වනේ පුතේ මේ total revenue එක P&L එකේ මුහුණතේ තියෙනවට අමතරව note එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ ඒ segment එකේ P&L එක. මේක තමයි requirement එක මේ standard එකේ. Clear? Then to present profit and loss for each segment separately, entity may be able to identify revenue and expenses separately නේ පුතේ. When you have a single water bill for the entire hospital or entire hotel, right, say you have only 1 meter for water board, then they will give you a single bill, but all the segment will utilize the water. Then can you separate that? These are the practical issues. When the hospital or hotel also having that same scenario, single electricity bill, single water bill, it is difficult to identify, separate the expenses among each segment. Is it clear? Those practical scenarios available. Therefore, always hospital management arguing we can't identify those things. Not only that, procurement. Now, canteen will buy the raw material necessary for the canteen. That is vegetable, foods and everything. Right? Then, pharmacy will buy medicine. Then they cannot they can separate at that time. But water bill, telephone bill, right? Then electricity bill and other utilities cannot separate. Therefore, to recognize an operating segment, standard clearly provide a definition. What is an operating segment? Is it clear? If that standard requirement satisfied by a single segment, entity liable to recognize. ඉතින් අපි ගිහිල්ලා ආගියු කරනකොට ආගියු කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ් එකත් එක්ක. This is the standard requirement. If you can do this, this should be an operating segment. If you can't do this, yes, you okay. Is it clear? Right. Therefore, operating segment has defined, this is copy paste version from my standard. right? Not from your study text. But same thing, I think that is paragraph number 4 or 5 පුතේ. An operating segment කියලා topic එකක් තියෙනවා පටන් ගත්ත පිටුවෙන් බලන්න. තියනවද පුතේ? An operating segment කියලා ABC කියලා points තුනකින් define කරලා තියෙන segment එකක් තියෙනවා පළවෙනි පිටුවෙම. මං හරිද? segment number එක මොකද්ද? 5. මම ඒක හැබැයි 4ද 5ද කියලා. අන්තම් මතකයක් තියෙන number එක මට. ඇයි ඒ මතක? මාර පොරක්නේ මට මතක හිටිනවද? එහෙමද? නෑ. හැමදාම මේක කියලා මතකයි පුතේ මාසයෙන් හයට කියනවනේ. දැන් ඔයාලා හැමදාම කාලා මේ බත් කන්න කියලා අම්මා කිව්වම ගිහිල්ලා කුස්සියට අද මම කන්න ඕන දකුණු අතින්. එම නිසා දකුණු අත සේදිය යුතුයි. එහෙම ගොඩාක් දේවල් හිතලාද කන්නේ? ඈ? වොෂ්රූම් එකට ගිහිල්ලා කොමඩ් එකකින් වාඩි වෙන්නේ. අද මම වොෂ්රූම් යනවා. අද මම කොමඩ් එකකින් වාඩි වෙන්න ඕන කියලා මතක තියන් ගිහලාද වාඩි වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් සිංක් එකකින් වාඩි වෙනවද මාරු වෙලා? නෑ නේද? ඇයි එහෙම වෙලා තින්නේ ඔයාලට? ඒක පුතේ ජීවිතයේ සාමාන්‍ය දෙයක් වෙච්ච නිසානේ. දෛනිකව කරන දෙයක් නිසානේ. ඒ වගේ තමයි accounting standard වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මට. නැතුව මම විශේෂ ප්‍රාගුණ්‍යයක් තියෙන මිනිස්සෙක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයාලා තරම් උසස් පෙළ සාමාන්‍ය පෙළ රිසල්ට් උත් මට නැහැ. හරි? ඔයාලා විෂයන් 10ක් කරපු අයනේ ඕ ලෙවල්. මං 8යි කරේ. ඒ 8ටත් මට තියෙන්නේ C5යි D3යි. D කියන්නේ A කාලේ, C කියන්නේ B කාලේ. ඒතර මට තියෙන්නේ B5යි A3යි. ගණිතයටවත් A එකක් නැහැ. විද්‍යාවටවත් A එකක් නැහැ. ඉංග්‍රීසි වලටවත් A එකක් නැහැ. එහෙනම් මේක මේ විශේෂ ප්‍රාගුණ්‍යයක් තියෙන මිනිස්සුන්ට පිළිහිටන දෙයක් නෙමෙයි. උනන්දුවක් තියෙන මිනිස්සුන්ට පිළිහිටන දෙයක්. හරි? ඉතින් මම ඒකයි කියන්නේ ඔයාලා මට වඩා බුද්ධිමත් කියලා. ඔයාලා යූස් කරන්නේ නැති ප්‍රශ්නක් තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාලා A level පාස් ඇතිනේ. A3ක් ඇතිනේ. නෑ A4ක් ඇතිනේ ඉංග්‍රීසිත් එක්ක. මට තියෙන්නේ 3යි F එකයි පුතේ. ඉංග්‍රීසි ෆේල්. ලංකාවේ 4 වෙනි ඔඩිට් ෆර්ම් එක මාව එළියට දැම්ම ඉන්ටර්විව් කරලා ගන්න බෑ කියලා ඉංග්‍රීසි ෆේල් කියලා. හරි ඒකයි මම කියන්නේ මේක මට මේ විශේෂයෙන් පිටුවා කියලා සර්ට පුළුවන් අපිට බෑ ඒක මාර වැඩක්. එහෙම කියන්න එපා. මොකද ඔක කියනවා ළමයි මට. ඔයාට පුළුවන් අපිට එහෙම හිටින්නේ නෑ මතකේ කියලා. මටත් හැමදේම මතකයි. ඒක උනන්දුවකින් යන්න ඕනේ ඒකයි. හරි ක්ලියර් නේද? සෙක්ෂන් 5ට යන් අපි දැන්. Now the first requirement is to identify an operating segment. What is the guideline? I will explain. I am not going to read the paragraph now. To recognize an operating segment, there are 3 conditions to satisfy. 3 conditions, keep your mind. Right? Number 1, that segment may able to recognize their